Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter.
Good morning everyone, and happy Friday to you. We're really excited today to be sharing our assembly with you. We're going to be looking at one of our school values, the value of friendship. We're very proud here at Elaine Primary School to be a values-based school, and we treasure the value of friendship. Throughout the assembly, we'll be sharing some thoughts and feelings from our pupils, including members of our JLT, and also some words around kindness from Miss Gardner.
Hi everyone, we've got lots to celebrate this week at Elaine, and I've got in my hand lots of merits for children who've been showing our values and working hard both in school and at home this week. Let's see who we've got. First up, we've got Darcy, who's been trying really hard with her learning at home. She's been practicing her writing, counting and naming her shapes. She's been very creative and been making lots of things, including a home for ladybirds around her garden. Next up we have Davis. He's been demonstrating a good growth mindset across all of his learning this week. For his daily exercise, he's been trying his best to learn how to ride his bike without stabilisers. He kept on trying until he managed to ride his bike without stabilisers completely independently. Well done, Davis. We've also got Ola, who's shown resilience in her learning. When she found writing her B's and D's tricky, she did extra learning to practice writing them and even applied her learning to writing words starting with each letter. She worked hard to challenge herself and now she's confident in knowing which one to use. Well done, Ola. Next up we have James. You've been showing great enthusiasm all week and trying your best in class with Mr. Stewart. We've also got Bailey. Bailey, you've been being a role model in class and always helping the younger children with their work. Fantastic way to show that value of friendship. We've got Emma in year 2. You've been demonstrating the character skill of friendship when baking. You took turns patiently and even helped your friends by giving them advice. Next up we have Shelby. Shelby, you've been demonstrating the value of resilience in art. When you struggled to create your outcome, she used a growth mindset to try again. From year 6, we've got Max. Max has been shown the value of friendship in art. Well done for helping your friends to improve their artwork and inspiring them to start their own comic strips. We can't wait to see more of your quad comics that you've been writing every day. And well done, Jaden. Jaden, you've been shown resilience when learning your 7 times tables. Even though you found it tricky, you persevered and showed a growth mindset throughout. Very well done, Jaden. And we've also got Oliver. Oliver, you've been shown the character skill of friendship by peer coaching Key Stage 1 with their maths this week. Very well done, Oliver. We've got another one from year 4 here for my friend George. George, you've been shown creativity and enthusiasm in your artwork while you've been in school this week. Fantastic job, George.
Thank you, Mr. Carroll. What we're going to do now is have a look at some of the super home learning here at Elaine Primary School. We're so proud of you all.
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright. It's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright, it's alright. Sun, sun, sun. Sun, sun, sun. Sun, sun, sun. Here it comes. Sun, sun, sun. Sun, sun, sun. Sun, sun, sun. Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright, it's alright. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright, it's alright. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes.
Toucher from Year 6. I'm part of the JLT and we're going to be now doing an assembly about friendship. Now, friendship is shown by a wide variety around our schools, and one of the examples are we let people join in our games whenever we like.
Elaine, we show the value of friendship by helping people when they're stuck on their work.
At Elaine, we show the value of friendship by helping people when they need help and play with them if they're lonely.
Another example that we show in our school is that when people are down, we like to help them back up. This week in the Elaine Education Centre, we've been learning about the value of friendship.
Here are some ideas how we can show friendship.
Playing with the big boys, and I made a friendship bracelet for Lucas.
I have been a good friend by making friendship bracelets and giving it to a friend in class.
I think a good friend is being kind, helping people with their work, and doing collaboration.
Hello everyone. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. I'm missing you and all your smiley faces so much. Today I'm here to talk about kindness. How kindness can not only make other people feel good, but how it can make you feel good. Being kind is an essential key to living a happy life. It is the glue that allows us to connect with each other and to make and keep friends. The best thing you can do to make the world a better place is to create a culture of kindness in your own home. So how can you do that? Kindness is about seeing with your heart. It can be something as little as smiling and waving at a neighbour, breaking a biscuit in half to share with your sister. It could be comforting someone who is sad, or donating money for a cause that you really care about. Especially during these times when we are connecting more online, we must make sure that we are using kind words to each other. There's no need to be cruel or hurtful. Be kind instead. There are so many different ways we can show kindness. Let's call these random acts of kindness. The best thing we can do is lead by example and be kind to others, because kindness is catching, and you never know just how big of an impact a small gesture of kindness can have. Showing kindness is so important because it is the magic that holds us together. Whether you are online with your friends, at home with your family, or when you are eventually back at school. Making our country a kinder place has never seemed more important than right now. And you can start today in your own home. One random act of kindness at a time. So stay safe everyone, and remember to always be kind. See you soon, bye.
Hi everybody, I hope you've all had a fantastic week. I know that you've been speaking about friendship today, and I guess in these strange times, friendship is so important. I've seen some lovely examples of how pupils are showing that value of friendship with their neighbours, using pen pals, using Twitter, and also engaging with our more vulnerable people in our community. So that really is really heartening to see. Please keep sending in your examples of home learning. If you need a physical pack, let us know and we'll send you a physical pack. If not, keep tweeting. That the quality of learning that is coming through is just simply amazing. All of you have stepped up, including your families, including all those new educators out there. We cannot thank you enough for everything you're doing. And I'll definitely be clapping continuously every Thursday, not only for our superb NHS delivery staff, shop staff, teaching staff, TAs, cooks, cleaners, but also all of the home educators out there. You're doing a phenomenal job. So keep it up and we'll see you next week. Take care.
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling.